Hey Bruce!
Rich!
What are you making for me today?
Today, I'm going to make an American version of Eggs Benedict.
Right.
I call it an American version
Is
because...
that a Benedict Arnold?
No. No, it is not.
He was American.
It was a better Benedict.
Okay.
Matter of fact, Rich, this is the best Eggs Benedict I've ever made in my life.
Alright.
Yeah, you wouldn't believe.
That's going to be the title.
So...
Now, before you start this, Bruce, I have a gift for you. We talked about chef hats last time we were shooting.
Is that right? Yes, we were. We were.
So I got you a chef's hat. So, I think you're going to look really good with that on.
You think? Okay, I doubt it, but okay. Here we go.
Even got a little pigtail on the bottom.
Oh yeah. Since I'm cooking bacon today, Rick.
I think it looks glorious.
It's got a pigtail on the back.
I'm sure you did. So I'm actually also going to do something different with the eggs, and also use just regular bacon instead of Canadian bacon, because, well,
American.
Regular smoked bacon is better, ladies and gentlemen. It's just better. So what I have here is I have some water that's simmering. I put some white wine vinegar in it, about 2 tablespoons.
You can smell it.
And it'll keep the whites of the eggs from just going everywhere. It'll kind of help keep the egg together more. So,
Let's get too close up.
oh, well, he needs to get on the ball. I'm ready to go. All right, I got 6 eggs in here. I'm not exactly sure that it was quite hot enough, but that's all right. I mean, it probably cooled. Well, I know it did. It cooled down some from when I put the cold eggs in there. So, but that's fine. You don't want the water to be violently boiling or anything, because it'll break up the eggs. So, all right, we're gonna have to try to do this just a little different this time. There we go. That's more like it. So, Rich, you know what I've been doing over here?
I think you've been making some bacon.
Been frying up some bacon. Man, it smells good too. So we got the bacon all fried up. We got the eggs over here. We're getting close, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at the color on that.
All right, we got some toasted buns. I'm gonna eat 2 of those because I only need 2 for my presentation. Okay, so we're gonna make some Hollandaise sauce.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to do it in the blender, which makes it real easy. So I'm going to heat up 16 tablespoons of butter. I mean, you just can't go wrong with that.
Which is 2 sticks of butter.
2 sticks of butter.
I know something.
Right here, I've got 3 egg yolks. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So, we're going to take these 3 egg yolks and the lemon in here. You know, it only calls for salt, but, well, this is what I have out here, so I'm going to put salt and pepper in it.
Pepper doesn't hurt anything.
No, never has. Okay, this is going to get this, just get it nice and frothy here, right? And then we're going to slowly start adding all this butter. Okay, so you probably heard the blender start to slow down.
Mm-hmm.
That's because it started getting thicker. So, oh yeah, that's just about right. So, we got a nice,
Get it, Jack.
creamy Hollandaise. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do something to make this legendary.
Legendary! Legendary!
So, I am going to make some beer batter. Why would he be making beer batter for? For Eggs Benedict?
Why would you do that, Bruce?
Why would you do that?
Well, I'm thinking we should deep fry the poached eggs, Rich.
Are you crazy?
I know, it's crazy time.
That's crazy!
If you can do this, you're going to be legendary.
That's right. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm going to do a simple beer batter. Let's put a little salt and pepper in there. Well, that's probably too much, but that's all right. I like salt and pepper, so it's not too much for me. And I don't need a whole lot of batter here, so we're just gonna, I just put it, you know, dumped a little flour in there, and now we're gonna dump a little beer in here
Half cup of beer.
until we get the consistency that we want. I'm gonna take my egg here,
Yeah, it is fragile.
put it in here, get it all nice and coated. Just lay it right in there.
Sweet.
Get us another one. Is it frying?
It's working. So first thought in my head was, wouldn't you be cooking that yolk up and completely undoing your poached egg?
You would think so.
You would think so.
So what I did was I let that poached egg get cold, George.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put it in the hot oil, and the only thing that we want to cook is the breading on the outside, is the batter.
Right.
And it will, as soon as the batter gets cooked, it will have heated up the egg, but not to the point of cooking the yolk.
There's a lot of activity in there.
A lot of activity, Rich.
Lots of
A
activity.
lot of activity.
I have a lot of activity in my pants.
Really, Rich?
How did I know? All right, so let's plate this dish.
Dish.
Yeah,
Dish. Let's plate this dish.
that too. All right. So here we have the Hollandaise. We're going to.
Oh, look at that. Thickness. Thickness with double K.
Get a little Hollandaise on there. Now, you may wonder why I'm doing this, and it may look backwards, but we have a beautifully deep fried egg. The last thing we want to do here is ruin that crispiness of that fried egg. So, now we have
Bacon.
some bacon. Okay, we're looking good.
Oh my God.
Maybe a little more bacon.
Yeah, you got to even up on this one.
Yep, that's what I thought too.
Oh.
That's true.
All right, we have
Folks, I'm going to tell you something.
poached egg.
If
And
someone brought that in front of me, I'd pay $20 for this dish.
there you have it.
I would
Right,
pay
go
$20
get
for
your
that.
wallet, George.
So, I believe now it is time.
This shot, I want to get a little side.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I give that to you.
Look at that. Got a nice, nice runny egg yolk here.
Get the split like Sam does all the time.
Yeah.
We'll do it on
split
this
it.
one. We'll do it on this one.
Well, because, you know,
Because you're already taking a bite.
Yeah. Gotta get me a little Hollandaise. Huh. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
That should be illegal.
Ready? I got another one. Hollandaise.
My God.
I am singing Holly too much.
With that smoky bacon on there while I'm trying to ignore these two bitches.
Yeah? Uh-huh.
That's what I'm talking about. Since I cut it in half, I might as well have the rest of this half. It'd be a shame not to. Give me a little more Hollandaise.
Hollandaise.
That was only 3, so I had to make it even, make it 4.
There you go.
'Cause
Butter pat per.
apparently I'm, you know, I don't know.
Bipolar?
No. No, what do they call it?
OCD?
Yeah. Or I have Tourette's. Fuck you, Rich! That's